Hello everyone, my name is Eva and I'm with Uniquely You Planners. Welcome to my channel. If you like the content, please do hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. So today I'm going to be doing a video tutorial on how to do a pen loop. Specifically for me, I need it in my mini planner that I'm going to be carrying around in my purse. So I want to add a pen loop to that so that I can actually find it in my purse. This is what it's going to end up looking like. But I wanted to show you a tutorial in case you guys are needing an idea. So I hope you enjoy it. Do hit the like or the subscribe button at the end, and I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you on the other side. Okay, so here's the mini planner that I'm going to be doing the pen loop for. It's a Happy Planner from Michaels, and I know you can still get it. I got it from their website and I can't remember the name of it, but I thought it was just so pretty, and I've already kind of changed up a little few things and added stuff, and you can do a walkthrough of that later if you would like to see that. But this is literally going to be kept in my purse, so I did want to get a pen loop for that done. So here's the supplies. The cardstock I already had here at home, and I had already cut it down and put the holes in. The ribbon I used, I just cut like a 4-inch ribbon and then glued it with this glue, and it's a tacky glue, and I love this. I got it from Michaels as well. Sheets that I'm using that's going to go on either side is from the anonymous box that Michaels had last month or 2 months ago, and so I just cut it down to size, and I'm going to put it on either side of my cardstock, and I'm going to glue it so it'll make a nice little pretty sheet to go into my planner once I punch them. So this is what it'll look like when it's completed. We just gotta let it dry, but ultimately this is how it'll look. And then I'm just gonna put it on the back side of my planner. I'm not gonna put it through right now since it's not dry, but it's gonna sit like this. And then I'll put a pen into it. And it's just gonna sit like that. See? So that's it. So let me know in the comments down below if you would like to see me do a walkthrough of this mini. This is the one that is actually going to be kept in my purse, and I have tweaked it a bit just to be more specific to the things I need when I'm on the go. And if you like the content, please hit the subscribe button, and I will be posting more videos soon, and also leave a comment about anything you would actually be interested in seeing, and so I can go ahead and get that done for you as well. All right, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.